Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to install Astra theme in your WordPress website. Now, previously we looked at how to install WordPress on local WP. So the site we started with is called Fanny's Food. So we shall click on this, select the site, and then we shall go to WP admin. You can see the site is starting, and then it will open in the browser. So from here, let's log in with our password and username. Click on login. And here is just our fresh new WordPress installation. So when we click on visit site, this is how our site will look like. It's a default theme that has been installed together with WordPress. So now to change the theme, we are going to install a theme called Astra. To install Astra, we shall go to appearance and go to themes. So from here, you can see we just have 1, 2, 3 themes installed. So to install a new theme, we shall click on add new, and you can see all the popular themes that WordPress users use are here, and it includes Astra, which is right here. So when you click on Astra, you can read through the details of it. It's a readily customizable theme that helps you create your website in just a few minutes. So we shall click on install. Make sure you have an internet connection, so it will be fetching the items from the internet. So after it has been installed, you simply click on activate. So now has been activated. Now Canva has what we call starter templates. This is what helps you to build a website with ready-made designs depending on what type of website you want. So we are going to install starter template. It's also a plugin. If you don't see this option here, you simply go down to plugins and then click on add new plugin, and then you can search for starter templates, which is right here. So you can install it from here in case you don't see this option. So now we are going to follow this option. Click on install. You can see it's also installing here. It's showing you. Thereafter, it will redirect you to starter templates setup. So you're going to choose which page builder do you want to use. You can choose block editor, Elementor, or Beaver. So let's use Elementor for this example. And then from here, it will bring you all the sites built with Elementor. So you can choose from what you want. So you can see that when you look for businesses, let's click on restaurant, since our website is a food kind of thing. So when you scroll down the options for restaurant, you can see it only has a lot of premium themes and free themes. So we are going to look for the free ones to start with. So I'm going to choose this template. It will ask you for a logo. If you don't have a logo, you can upload it later. So we shall just keep this and continue, and then it will ask you for default colors. So you can navigate through these ready-made color templates just by clicking on it. See green, blue, pinkish. You can scroll down to see other things down as well. So when you choose, let's choose red. Scroll a little bit down and also play around with the fonts that you like, font combinations. See that? So let's choose that and then click continue, and then it will ask you for your name and details. I'm building for myself, and then click on submit and build my website. So your website will be building in just a few minutes. So congratulations, your website has been created. So when you refresh this page, you'll see that it has already created for you a sample website, actually an actual website where you can just now customize what you want based on what you want. So when you go to About Us, you find that all the pages are working fine. You can see About Us with all the dummy content in there. Let's navigate through the other pages. We have menu, just 2 menu types, the light version and the darker version. So let's look at the lighter menu. So you can see that is what the menu has. And when you look at the dark one, you can see it's just the same, but just a darker version with a darker color. And then when you go to testimonial, these are the testimonies from people who have been at the restaurant before. And contacts, you can see this is the contact with a contact form. For some reason, this image has to be edited. So let's go to reservation. Still links to contact us. So let's go back to our home page. So now let me show you how to edit this page. We are going to use Elementor. So we click on edit with Elementor. To edit an item, you just click on the item, and then on your left hand side you'll see the title is here. So I'll write test it out in Kampala, and then to edit this I'll just write this: find the best local foods while in Kampala at Fenny's Foods. So we shall scroll down. So we can leave this part as it is. Meet the team, what people say. So you can see this image is extra large. We can just reduce it to medium. You can see it now there. Let's try to make it medium large. It's again too much. Put it to medium. Let it be like that. And then you can add in, just to edit anything, you click on the item and then you edit it from the left sidebar. And to remove an item, you click on it and remove it. Right click and click on delete if you don't need an item. So for example, let's identify something to remove. So let's remove this telephone reservation. We shall just right click and then delete. So that is it. So after that, we shall just click on update, and then this will be updated. The same applies to the other pages and also images. To change an image, we shall click on this where the image is. You can go to that icon, that's the container icon. And then when we go to style, you see this image is in the container. So we can choose an image. You can select files from your computer, or we check out the media library. And you see that's the image that's available. So we can choose another image, for example this, and then select. So after that, we shall just click on update. To view the updates, we click on this preview changes, and it will open in a new tab. And here you can see our picture has been updated. Now to change the logo, we need to get our own logo. So I'll just head up to Canva and create a quick logo. Click on create a design, choose a logo. So we're gonna go here and see the font that is being used. So to do that, we're gonna click on that item. We go to style, go to typography, and you'll see the font family is default. So I'll just create something simple and call it Fenny's Foods. So when we go to the customize option, we can look at the global settings. When we go to typography, you can see that the font family is Lato. So let's use Lato. So this is our simple logo. I'm just going to download it. And then we shall remove its background. We go to remove.bg, upload it, and there you go. Our background is removed. So we click on download. So when we go to customize, we go to site identity, and then you shall have site settings and logo. And this is the logo we are currently using. So we are going to click on change logo. Then we upload files. Select the logo that we created, we select it. So it will ask us to crop so that it matches the size. So we shall just click on crop image, and that is our logo. So after that, we shall click on publish. So let's preview our website on mobile. This is how it will look on a tablet, and then on a small phone, this is how it will look. So you can customize all these parts of this website depending on what you really want. And let's scroll this, and here you can see this is our final website. You can of course change a few items and customize a few things. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.